ಕೋವಿಡ್ನಿಂದ ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧೆಡೆ ಉಂಟಾಗಿರುವ ಪರಿಣಾಮದ ಕುರಿತು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ನಡೆಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತ್ರಸ್ತರಿಗೆ ನೆರವಾಗುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಹೊಸದಿಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮೂವರ ತಂಡ ರೋಡ್ ಆಶ್ರಮ್ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ತಂಡ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ತಲುಪಿದ್ದು, ಕಾರಿನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಧ್ವಜ, ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬಿಸುವ ಚಿತ್ರ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ಗಳಿಂದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 4ರಂದು ಹೊಸದಿಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಟಿರುವ ತಂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸುತ್ತಾಡಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಗೋವಾದತ್ತ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿದೆ. ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾಗಿರುವ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ತೆರಳಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ನಡೆಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ದಾಖಲೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಲಿದೆ. ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ತೊಂದರೆಗೀಡಾದವರಿಗೆ ನೆರವಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇಣಿಗೆ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸುವುದು ಈ ಅಭಿಯಾನದ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗಡಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ದೇಶದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಸುಮಾರು 30,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸಂಚರಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಹೊಂದಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 15,000 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Are running this campaign named Road Ashram. In this campaign, we are traveling by a car which is specially crafted, and we are traveling a distance of 25,000 kilometers along the borders of India. And we are supposed to cover some 30 states and union territories. So far, we have traveled 17 states and union territories. We are meeting with the eminent people, and also we are meeting with the common people. So the objective of this campaign is about the COVID awareness, to raise some relief for COVID, and at the same time we are trying to do a video documentation of the COVID's impact in the lives of people from different walks of life. Okay, as we are moving, we are meeting with the eminent peoples. Like when we were in Sikkim, we met with Baichung Bhutia. When we were in Kerala, we met with this legendary filmmaker Adur Gopalakrishnan. When we were in Meghalaya, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya met with us. Okay, and similarly we are speaking with a lot of common people. So what we are hearing is, COVID, which was supposed to be a health problem, has been converted into a huge humanitarian crisis, and people in this country are still suffering. We have seen the migrant workers walking long distances back home, but their sufferings are yet not over. A lot of people have lost their livelihood. People are in distress. Children's are their vaccination programs are getting delayed, which will have a long-term impact on their health. Because the schools are closed in most of the states, midday meal programs are not running, so it can have a long-term impact on the malnutrition for the children. Domestic violence against the women has increased a lot. So we have been witnessing all these things, and we are doing a video documentation of this, and eventually we would like to come up with a documentary film. So that is the objective of this campaign, and to know more about this campaign, you can log on to our website www.roadashram, ROADASHRAM,